Welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking at this question, but look at this. When you see this, this is very simple. When I was writing this question, I saw this question. I would have actually given this. Both of them are question engineer way, but I would have given this question as bonus to anybody who could the first person to answer. Then I will credit the person. It's very simple. Now this is a junior way question, but this one follows the next. So I was like, what the hell is this? You know, when you have this, what do? You collect like terms. Let me just trash this so that we can concentrate on this because this is very ISO, very simple question. Collect like terms, and because there's no equality sign here, when this number is moving, even if there's an equality sign, as far as this number didn't cross equality sign, it remains the same. While this thing is still here, we have 5x. Each of these is going to meet what we call collect like terms. So this is 5x. When this cross equality sign becomes what? 4x. Then this one is already together here. We have minus 3y plus 6y. Now this is where children find it difficult. Are you aware that even if you put plus 6y, like even if you say this 5x minus 4x plus 6y minus 3y, like you take this thing to put in front of 6, it's still the same. Each of them still carry their mandate. They still carry their sign, which is this sign, plus or minus. So 5 is plus, it retains plus. 4 is minus, it retains minus. That's 4 is minus here. 6 is plus, it retains the plus. 3 is, as far as it didn't cross equality sign, it retains it. So at this point, 3 plus 6y minus 3y, they have the same what? The same variable. So this will give us what? Plus 3y. You have 3 and you're owing this. After paying, you're left with what? 3y. So this minus this will give you what? X, which is 1x. So therefore, this minus this will give us x. And this minus this will give us what? 3y. Then, if you just stop here, since this is already closed, bring this one in front of this. You have 5x minus this, which will give us what? Even if you take it to the back, minus 4 plus 5 is still the same thing as what? 1. So this is just x minus what? 3y. This is the answer to this question. Let's go here. Looking at this place, this is the reason why they taught you your HCF. The reason why they taught you your HCF is this reason. So now, looking at this question, what do? What number is common among these? Don't just look at the things that are common. Don't even just look at things that can divide. The highest number that can divide both of them. So now, what's the highest number? The highest number that can go in both of them is actually 9. 9 divide, that's 9. You open your bracket. 9 go here will give us 7. So next thing is this x. We'll put 9 here. Between x here, we'll have the one with the lowest. Just pick if they are both in common, like x is here and x is here. You say x is common. Pick the one with the lower what? Power. The 2x, the one with the lowest power is x raised to power 2. So we have x raised to power what? 2. Then look at the x here, y here. Which one do we have here? We have y here and we have what? Y here. So between the two y, which one has the lowest power? Raised to power 2 and this is raised to power 4. So we're picking y raised to power what? 2. So now this go into this, y go into 9 going into 63 will give us 7. This raised to power 2 go into this, it is out. This go into this, because it is 2. If this is dividing this, you now do 4 minus this, which will give us what? 2. That means we are left with this raised to power what? 2. This cancelled 2 out of this, so it's remaining 2. Minus this going into this will give us 11. This going into this, we are left with 1. It is 3. If you cancel 2 out of it, it's remaining what? It's remaining 1. So just x. This going into this, it is out. So this is the answer to the question. You understand? Very simple. Very, very simple. I love you guys.